One level behind Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're getting the chili come through now.
So that's why they call it holy basil.
Holy basil. Oh, they washed it with holy water. Go for it. Hakapao.
Yes.
Ah, chef, what are we making?
Fried egg.
Fried egg.
Yeah. Making fried egg first.
Make fried egg first.
Yeah.
Chef Non here giving us a master class. Master class.
I'm just one level behind, but that's it.
One level behind Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah. Let's see. It's gonna be a little bit sticky.
Go for it. Hakapao.
Yes.
By Chef Non here in Bangkok.
Yeah, man.
What are we chucking in here? Chili?
Yes. Garlic.
Chili and garlic trying to come together. That's a lot of chili in there.
It's gonna be easy.
It's going to be a spicy one.
Yeah.
Bit more oil, loosen it up.
Be careful not to burn it.
Don't want to burn the chili.
Right.
The smell's coming through now.
And we have to put in the pot.
What have we got here?
Shrimp, squid, pork, minced pork.
Oh, it's a mix.
So some shrimp, just
Pork, prawn,
chop
squid.
down.
Oh yeah, we're getting the chili come through now.
Yeah.
You've got a very good action.
We have a phrase that if you don't sneeze by frying a cow, making a cow doesn't make you sneeze.
Not enough
So
chili.
it doesn't so that means you're not good at cooking a cow. You have to sneeze. People have to sneeze on your cow.
You have to sneeze and cough when you're making this dish. Otherwise you're not making it right. More prawns, more squid, more pork going in. And how much does this dish cost in your restaurant?
So this is just my meal, my own meal.
Oh, you're cooking your own meal.
Yeah.
It's not for customer.
But if customer wants to, you can make it started from 60 to 150.
Between 60 and 150 baht.
Yeah.
Bit of water,
And make it the oyster sauce.
oyster sauce,
This is a stock, chicken stock.
special stock,
Soy sauce.
soy sauce.
Sugar.
Where's the singer? Oh, he's some singer beer.
Singa beer.
Oh, don't worry.
Singa
What are we putting in there?
At
Sugar?
the table.
Sugar and salt.
Sugar and MSG.
MSG. Bit of flavouring.
Yeah.
Liquid.
Yeah.
Nice to have a bit of
Some
sauce.
people they like
Dry.
dry or a little bit of
I like to have a little bit of sauce.
sauce. With this, when you eat it with fried egg and plain rice, it just like
soaks it up. Soaks all that flavour.
Yeah, right.
Look at that.
Obviously, we can call kapao. You are in Thailand now. You have to call kapao.
Oh, sorry. We're in Thailand. We've got to speak Thai. This is kapao. On selecting the finest kapao.
Yeah, right.
He's picking the best ones for his food.
So they used to worship God.
Yes.
So that's why they call it holy basil.
Holy basil. Oh, they washed it with holy water.
Yeah, right.
Got ya. And that's where the name comes from, holy basil. Because they washed the basil with
But
holy
in
water.
Thailand we eat it.
You don't wash it, we just eat it here. So in goes the basil, and then now one final little stir around, I reckon. Gordon Ramsay, nowhere. Chef Non.
Let him know. Remember the time when we were used to cook together, bro?
Yeah. Those times will come again. Now, Chef Non serving up
มึงชอบกินแห้ง
ผัดกะเพรา with pork, prawns, squid. This is a big dish, isn't it?
Yes.
Typically it'd be a bit smaller than that. This is an extra large serving.
For 2 or 3 persons. In a regular serve.
Lovely.
เอายกไป One level behind Gordon
One level behind Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.